Okay, I wanted to provide a little bit of help for some of the people that have been telling me what's going on with their assignments. Uh, a little trick for you guys, right? Distinguishable permutations, or another word that they use for distinguishable would be unique permutations. Okay. And basically what that means is if you have two letters that are repeating, you can't tell the difference between when the first one comes and when the second one comes. All right. Boss. Right. Well, we've got two S's, and I can't really tell the difference if I do S2 first and S1 second. Really it looks the same to me because those subscripts aren't going to be there in the real world. So there's not two different ways, that I could have those S's there. It's just one way that I can distinguish or that is unique, right? If I switch the S and the O, I can clearly tell that it's different, right? But if I switch the two S's, I can't tell. So that's kind of what we're talking about when we say a unique or distinguishable permutation. To demonstrate this, we're going to use three examples: the word Athens, the word substitute, and the word basketball. Our first word, Athens, has 6 letters, and none of the letters are the same. So we do not have any repeating letters. Let's go ahead and write that down. All right. We have 6 letters, no repeat. For every letter, there's only one of. Okay. We talked about, or some of the videos talked about, that if you're arranging everything in a group, you can use a factorial to figure out what that's going to be. So 6 factorial rearranges all of the 6 letters in the word Athens, and because all the letters are unique, those will all be unique permutations. Okay? If all the letters are not different, then here's a little trick that you can use to kind of speed your process up. Okay? Now look at the word substitute. Substitute overall has 10 letters. Okay. But all of my letters are not unique, right? The S's repeat, the T's repeat, and the U's repeat, right? So what we can do, identify how many S's do I have? 1, 2, I've got 2 S's. T's, 1, 2, 3, I've got 3 T's. And U's, I've got 2 U's. Okay. The way I'd set this up is if I had to rearrange all of my letters, all 10 of them, right? Just like in the first problem, that's 10 factorial. But they're not all unique because of the fact that some of our letters repeat. So to divide out those ones we can't tell the difference between, take each one of these numbers and stick a factorial on it. Right? So we're going to divide by 2 factorial times 3 factorial times 2 factorial. Right, once again, you can just plug that straight into a calculator. One more example just to help make sure you've got the concept down. Right, basketball, same idea. Right, the word basketball has 10 letters. Not all of the letters are unique. Some of them repeat. Right, I have B repeating 2 times. I have the letter A repeating 2 times, and I have the letter L repeating 2 times. All the other letters just occur once. Okay. We're going to do just like in our first 2 problems. The number of permutations is 10 factorial because there's 10 letters. Distinguishable permutations, because we have 3 things repeating, we're dividing by 3 different numbers. And because each of those letters are repeating 2 times, we're doing 2 factorial 3 times. That would give you the number of distinguishable permutations for basketball. Hope it helped.